dear students, in today's video I will discuss about the construction of signal flow graph. So this is very important to understand the signal flow graph problem. So I will discuss today how to construct signal flow graph from algebraic equations. So today's topic is construction of signal flow graph. So let us take the first algebraic equation, that is x2 is equal to a12 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a32 x3 plus a42 x4 x4 plus a52 x5 x5. So this is equation number 1. So equation number 2 is x3 is equal to a23 x2. So equation number 3 is x4 is equal to a34 x3 plus a44 x4. So equation number 4, that is x5 is equal to a35 x3 plus a45 x4. So from these four algebraic equations we have to construct the signal flow graph. So to construct the signal flow graph we have to proceed stepwise, otherwise it will be more complicated. If we proceed step by step, then we can draw this very easily. So let us start the step 1, that is step 1. How to choose the number of nodes. So already I have told that is the number of variables are represented by the number of nodes. Therefore in this equation the number of variables, that is maximum number of variables, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, there are 5 variables. Therefore it can be represented by 5 nodes. So step 1 we can represent the number of variable by the number of nodes. Therefore this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So step 2, so relate these equations with the nodes or establish the relationship between variables by nodes and branches in the second step. So therefore x2 is equal to a12 x1. So this is a12, that is it starts from node 1 and enters to the node 2, that is a12. So therefore this is satisfied. x2 is equal to a12 x1. This is transmitting rule, that is it belongs to transmitting rule. So next step, that is a22 x2. It means this is a self loop. It starts from x2 and again reaches at x2. This is a22 x2, a22 x2. Then a32 x3. This is node 3 x3. This is x4. This is x5. So a32, it means we can draw like this because it starts from node 3, ends at node 2. Therefore, this is a32. Then a42, it means it starts from node 4. It starts from node 4, ends at end node 2. Therefore, this is a42. Then a52 x5. So we can draw like this. This is a52. This is a52. So this is the signal flow graph for the first algebraic equation. This satisfies the relationship between different variables. So step 3, let us assume the equation number 2. So this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So the equation is x3 is equal to a23. It means x3 is equal to a. It starts from node 2, ends at or enters to the node 3. Therefore, this is a23. A23 x2. This satisfied the equation number 2. Then equation number 3, we have to draw the signal flow graph for equation number 3. That is step 4, IB. This is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So equation number 3, x4 is equal to a34 x3. So this is a34 x3. Then a44, it means this is also a self node. This is a44 x4. So next equation number 4, step 5, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So x5 is equal to a35 x3. It means it will start from node 3 and ends at node 5. That is a35. A35. This is a35 x3. Then next a45 x4. A45. This is a45. A45. So this is the signal flow graph for all algebraic equation. Now to find the total signal flow graph, that is a single flow graph, we can find out for all these algebraic equations. So let us connect all the individual signal flow graph, or let us draw a single flow graph for combining all these flow graphs. That is your step 6. So this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x5. So you have to first draw this. This is draw this signal flow graph, that is A12, then A22. This is A22, then A42, A42. This is A42, then A32, A32. This is A32, then A52, A52, A52. Okay. Now this is completed. Next we will connect this, that is A23. You have to connect this A23. Then next we have to connect A34. A34. You have to connect this. Sorry. A34. Then A44. And draw here. A44. So next you have to connect the A45. This is A45, and this is A35. So A35, A35. So now this is the final signal flow graph for all four algebraic equations. So thank you very much for watching this video. Now you can easily construct the signal flow graph.